Hey, let's talk about credit. So sometimes I have clients who are like, hey, Amanda, I'm working with someone who actually is helping me improve my credit score. I pay so much money per month or per year that actually helps me improve my credit score and take care of some things that I had negatively affect my credit score. That's great. Those companies have a purpose. So if you have collections, late payments, charge-offs, judgments, bankruptcies, foreclosures, repossessions, those are all very good reasons why these companies are in existence because they are worth the money to help you with those things. What don't help you and what those companies cannot help you with is if you have a fair amount of credit card debt and you have legitimate inquiries where you just every so often or every few months you're applying for a new credit card, or if you have a pattern of late payments. And I'm not talking one or two a year, I'm talking like consistent late payments, or you have a series of charge-offs, meaning that those are accounts that you did not pay and now someone else is collecting on behalf of the original creditor. All of those other items, the credit companies cannot help you with those repair. What those items require is time. We need those things to get a little bit older on your credit report so they're not having such a huge negative impact on your credit score when you pull your credit report. So if you are looking for tips on how to improve your credit score, please feel free to message me. I'll share you all of the tip sheets that we have and all the information that we have regarding credit repair and point you in the right direction.